Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing Bissap juice, and another name of this is Hibiscus juice slash tea, whichever way you want to call it. So this is how it looks. It says Jamaican choice, 100% natural, dry cereal, and yeah. I got this from the African store, and it's $4.99 a pack. So I got 2 of these. Okay. I like my Bissap to be a little bit thicker, not too thin. So I'm gonna be using 2 packs of these. Okay. So here I have 1 lemon cut up, and I have 1 half ginger cut up here. And I have pineapple chunks here from the freezer. These are all optionals. You don't really have to put this inside, but just for extra taste and flavors, that is why we are adding this. But you can really make this juice just by itself without all of this. So this is mint leaves. I have this in the freezer. You guys know they go bad, so when I need them, I'll just go in there and just take a few of them out, and like so. I'm gonna use this one and then put this one back in the freezer. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna wash this flour. I'm gonna put this in here now. So this is my pot right here. I'm gonna add water into here. So let's get the water. So I'm gonna get the water. I'm gonna add the ginger, lemon, and mint leaves in here, and then also the pineapple chunks in here. So this drink has so much benefits. When I looked it up on Google, you guys, it's so much benefits. I will read you some. So this is how much water I'm putting into this pot. So I may or may not need any more, but I'm just going to dump this like so. Okay, so now what we're going to do now, we're going to dump and you're also gonna need sugar as well. I advise you to use sugar according to your taste. Do not put too much sugar into this. You guys, you know, sugar is not good for us, but you know, but we need it as we go on in life. So just moderate, you know, your intake on how much sugar you put into your you know, your stuff. Okay, so now what we're going to do now, we're going to wash our flour and put it in a pot. So this is what I got left in the bowl, you guys. So it's okay because we're gonna have plenty of more of the color and the juice from this flour. Okay, so this one, that water right there, this one is going to be thrown out. I don't need that. Okay, so now I'm just going to put this in like so and let it just start to boil. So you guys, I'm going to let this, cook down for about 10-15 minutes. Yeah, 10-15 minutes. And then once it cooled down, I'm going to strain it, and then after that I'm going to add the sugar into it, and basically that's it. You can top it off with lemon or pineapple or just the mint leaves that I showed you earlier. But for right now, we're just gonna let this simmer down for like 10-15 minutes, and then I'll come back and show you guys. Okay, you guys, so it's been 10-15 minutes since I have been boiling this juice. So as you can see, it's ready. Look at that juice. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So look at the pineapple. Look at that. The lemons. The ginger is somewhere in here. Right here. So I'm just gonna let this cool down, and then I'm gonna strain it, and then I'll come back when it's time for me to add the sugar. Okay? All right. So you guys, this is the rest of the flour. You can add water to this, which I will be later on. So yeah, and boil it a little bit, and then save it again. Okay, so but for now, we're going to mix this juice. As you can see, it's ready. It is ready. It's a mess when you deal with red. Okay, so here I have my glass and lemon inside. So now what we're gonna do, we're just gonna add some sugar into our juice. Like I said, use generous amounts of sugar, you guys. You guys, I got this sugar from Dollar Tree as well. It says non-GMO and certified clean, pure cane sugar. So yeah, if you're wondering where I got this from, that is exactly where I got it from. So look at how rich the Bissap is. The taste of the lemon, the mint, and also the ginger Oh my God, you just can't. So I'm just gonna pour some in here, and then I'm just going to let the rest of it in here for now, and let it cool down completely. And this is what it is right here. Okay guys, this is the drink. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one, guys. Take care now.